YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Bucks. I'm back with another video, man. We about to go bowling, man. Everybody currently in the shower, you know, get ready. As y'all can see, we at the B&B. But we better go crazy on this bowling stuff. If y'all don't know, I used to be a pro bowler back in the day. No cap, so I'm about to get all these dubs. I might just bet some people, you know what I'm saying? Bet the guys, and we might have a little friendly bet and do that. But yeah, man, we gonna get to y'all when we at the bowling alley. No cap. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like all the videos. No cap, chat. My boy Rob Vigils in the cut.
Overly Rob Vigils.
Overly
Rob Vigils. Overly everything.
To the vlog.
Hey, I'm finna take his 20. We just bet. Damn, we're not dope.
What they need?
ID.
ID for what?
ID to a bowling alley?
Yeah, because I got alcohol even if you guys don't drink. It's management's rules.
Yo, we made it to the bowling alley, man. We had some struggles. We had to grab some IDs. This is 21 plus bowling alley. You know what I'm saying? But there's cool vibes in here. I'm trying to see where the bathroom at. Oh, where is the bathroom?
Every time.
Yo, we about to bowl and stuff, y'all. We about to bust everybody's ass, but you know what I'm saying? We already got some bets going up. And shit, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, when y'all leave?
I'll look you buy a drink.
I got my drink right.
I'll look you buy a drink for. I'll tee you off in the suit.
Tell me how you stay. Look at Walker Factory game. His ass. Like Charlie Factory.
First, come on. I just gotta zoom in times 5 on your ass. See why you on this lane? You on this lane? You on this lane? You on this lane?
You want me to just record the whole thing?
That board part shit.
Alright,
Yeah.
Hey man, say man, you already know how we get on this board.
I'm getting both.
No, nigga, just bowl.
Oh shit, my bad. No, it's fine.
Now you want to be in the camera?
Yeah, that shit, bro. They ain't gotta start.
Go ahead, bro.
We gotta see.
Oh, shit, I didn't even record his app.
Where's Steve?
Hold on.
Oh, shit. Nigga ass. Oh, my God. Let's do it.
This ball too damn small. Them holes too small. Them holes too small.
Huh? It's my bad.
These fucking balls.
These balls light as shit.
Look at Raw, fool.
Hey, we finna get give me right.
Raw, you ass as fuck, dude.
We finna get a good strike first try.
You said what?
$5, you don't get a strike.
I ain't been sitting
Scary ass, my boy. I need a bigger ball.
Oh, my fuck, dude. You said what? What'd you say, fool?
You're back in this camera.
She said all ass can't bowl, fool. Nah.
I just gotta slow it down, that's all.
Slow it down, Des. You gotta slow it down, fool. Type shit. For sure. Just for this nigga to get a fucking whatever the fuck that is. Nigga weak.
I ain't gonna lie. That ball hurt like shit.
That shit weak. Your ass garbage. Phone number.
Look, this is what I
Huh?
If I don't touch a pin, y'all gotta like the video. I mean, if I do touch a pin, y'all gotta like the video.
His ass drunk for just aiming for all the wrong shit for. This nigga weak as fuck. Yeah, for just put the fries in the bag for. What's her real name? What's her real name? Huh? Oh, bro. I was just wondering, cause I don't understand why they call him strawberry and shit. Sorry. Good shit. Pop it. Go. Good, bro. Thought you was locked in, fuck.
I was locked in for one ball, you know what I'm saying?
I ride for my dogs. That's the ball for them.
Yeah.
You smell like acid.
Hey, y'all. Wait, what? Who what? Wait, who what?
No.
Wait. Hey, Chad, what do y'all get from Waffle House? I'm at Waffle House. I don't know what to get. I'm not gonna lie.
But why do you got the camera?
I'm just bored. I'm bored, bro. Hang on, I'm bored.
What's the point of me?
What you on, man? What you on?
What you on, gang? You don't want to be in no vlogs, bro? Not with the ghetto flowers, bro?
No, we not fucking ghetto flowers, bro. Ah, fuck.
I might bust a nut on that.
What? Clip on his ass, hold on.
Wait, not doing that. Bite. Do you have 0 bodies? Do you have 0 bodies?
0.
You have 0 bodies? Yo, what? Why are we lying? Yo,
Swear? Who said they swear?
no,
You swear?
I walked in, I said, yo.
0? All y'all got 0.
I got 0.
Oh, bro, I believe it.
-2.
Boyfriend?
No, she said no.
You have a little shit.
I mean, what's the
Ah, she got some lessons.